Who are we? What are we made of? What are all the strands that compose our identity? We need to remember who we are. What are all our capabilities? Where do we come from? And all these answers lie within ourselves, within the core of our being, in the center of memory, in our pineal gland, the portal to all knowledge, the door of our genetic memory. We are interdimensional beings, made with 22 different royal genetics. We are unique. We are magnificent. Our DNA is the two coils of our Kundalini polarized into masculine and feminine, that join in the pineal gland and emit the signal that opens the portal. This is the druid egg, the Uranus on the forehead of the pharaohs. The ancient knowledge is encoded everywhere for us to understand and integrate. The Kundalini blossoming and opening in a perfect union in the middle of our head, the two coils joined as one, allowing us to fly to other dimensions. Yes, this knowledge was known by the Anunnaki, by the ancient Egyptians, by the Norse with the Yggdrasil, the tree of life, our DNA. The sacred shamanic tree, allowing us to travel the realms. And the serpent coiled around this tree is no more than our own power. Devilized by those who didn't want us to awaken, cast from our rights of being truly human beings, Homo sapiens sapiens, forbidden to gain our right, entitlement of knowing the true power of the inner coil of power. This is the Tesla energy. This is the mystical way of the ancient traditions. This is physics. This is the toroidal magnetic field generated by any human living creatures, planet. Our Earth possesses the same electromagnetic field as we do. This is the tree of power. Polarized, masculine, feminine, positive, negative. These two opposites generate a field, a dynamics. They want us to be in fear. But if we move to the frequency of love, we become so powerful. Some beings disagreed with us reconnecting with this power. Who are they? Who were these custodians of humanity who hid this knowledge from us? Who were those who modified our genetics and tried to bind us as slaves? Why Where do they come from? They try to erase our memory, but the soul never really forgets. It is time now. We regain our own power. We remember and cast these ones away. It is time to say that we do not consent and that all the technology that's been kept away from us is given back. And that we become who we are, interdimensional beings. Let us break our chains of ignorance and reconnect with our memory throughout the pineal gland, the portal of the heart. And once we reconnect with who we are so powerful. That's what they don't want us to remember. We are the powerful beings, and knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Let us awaken the two coils, masculine and feminine, and proceed to the sacred marriage within ourselves, the alchemical union of both polarities, to become one within ourselves as sovereign being and one with all. One with all dimensions, all universes. It is time we rebel and stand up for our right as sovereign, human, interdimensional, interstellar beings. Time is now.